And let's see where the Garmin takes us. It's programmed to not go on the regular roads. That's a nice rear ender. Okay, we're officially back on the road. Heading for Maidstone. You know, I've got these woolly seat covers on, and it's rained on the covers twice. And I just learned something about the woolly covers. The rain, the water, and this explains why sheep stay dry and, you know, animals with wool. The water just sits right on top. It doesn't actually get in. So if you give your woolly seat cover like a swipe with your hand, if you swipe it with your hand, you swipe off all the water. And if you keep swiping, it just keeps swiping away, and all the water molecules don't go into the sheepskin. They just, you can swipe them off. So I thought I might have to change, take off the sheepskin cover, so I don't sit on a wet seat. And I just swiped away all the water from the sheepskin and sat on it, and it seems fine. And might be slightly damp, but then you know what I do? I just put the heated seat on for a bit. They got all their wet gears on. Look at that. They're covered in their wet rain stuff. They got a wet jacket, wet jackets, and wet suits. Who's next? Got no idea who's next. So we've got Suzuki's, we've got Motos. Am I next? Don't know. Hard to tell. They're next. Suzuki, Moto, Moto. And they're all packed like GSA Tourers, and their wetsuits on. So there you go, I learned something about sheepskins, because you worry about them getting wet and then sitting on it, but you don't have to. You see, the sheepskin stops the water from going in. Fascinating. Absolutely fascinating. Okay, I've decided I'm going to go the Garmin way, because it's going to get me there at 5:20, and I think that will be sufficient time. I'm all filled up with the bike and food for myself, so there's no reason to stop for the next, what is that, hour and a half? So I'm going to try the Garmin way to Maidstone. Okay, the Garmin has given me its first turn off, and I'm not going that major freeway route. I'm going to Lara. Let's see where it leads us. Oh, you look at this. It's getting me to go backwards. This is funny. Are you sure this is going to go to Maidstone if I go to backwards? This is weird. Anyway, feels intuitively wrong, but whatever. I can see the rain coming down in those clouds down there. You can see the light move through the clouds, and you can see the haze of the rain coming down, which I'm heading towards. But hopefully I will turn off before then. Looks like we're heading towards the dark clouds. Gee, these dark clouds are scattered so sparsely today. And it's annoying because 1 minute you're dry, 1 minute you're wet, 1 minute you're dry, 1 minute you're wet. And it's unprogrammable. Apparently, I'm on this road for 29 kilometers. I thought I was going the back interesting way. This does not look like the back interesting way. It just looks like the straight, boring, just like the other way. Alright, time to put the windscreen up then if it's going to be 29 kilometers of this. Let's enjoy some windless action. There's something banging around, so I'm tying up my jacket. Something's banging on my helmet. I think that's better. Yes, this is the local prison facility right there. Here's another prison facility for your perusal. It's funny when you're going fast, even though you might have your windscreen up, you can still get crosswinds coming across your bike. Like, what the hell's that? Because your speed should be breaking through and the wind should just be going smoothly over. Because seriously, the wind's not coming across as fast as I'm going forward, is it? And yet it feels like it's coming across faster than I'm going forward. That's weird. And I've played with the screen height. Screen height, I think, does something. If it's too high, like this, it can create some backdraft and cause the air to spin around and come back. And if it's too low, it's hitting you too straight on. So yeah, what's going on with that? We're coming into the dark cloud here, we're right under it. And I can feel it on my left leg, it's coming sideways, the bastard. It's like I'm following it in. I'm really pissed off with the Bureau today. They're full of shit. Everywhere I looked on the weather map, it says no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain. And yet, here I am, constantly being bombarded with bloody rain. The Bureau is full of shit. Period. And not happy, Jan. Looks like if I slow down to 80, it's probably the sweet zone with the wind. Looks like the side buffeting has slowed down, and the shield is doing a good job of stopping the water coming onto me. My legs are mostly protected. I feel a bit of wet on the left side of my leg. Otherwise, I don't think the rain's getting into my crannies. Oh, I've got the music on. I forgot when I'm recording, the music takes away from the recording sound. So I've turned that off. Look at this. Look at this depressing cloud that we just seem to be following. What a load of bullshit. Bollocks. Anyway, it hasn't stopped me from getting out, that's for sure. You know what I think it's time for? I think it's time to plug in my vest. Let's do that. Let's get some of that chest warmth going. Because then I don't care. Now there's the horizon we're heading for. That looks fantastic. Look at that landscape. Now that's a nice bit of landscape. That's what we're out here for. A bit of that. A bit of sunshine across the dews and the meadows. But no windies down this way. It's just all mostly straight. We've got another 5k's straight. And then who knows what. Now if you look at those mountains right down there, I think that's where I live. Or is that before where I live? Actually I might live over that mountain, those mountains on the right. And you can't see where I live. Anyway, I live in a mountain top. Oh, look at all those sheep. There's a lot there, scattered around. You don't get given much chance to overtake any slow people around here. It's all one lane, and it's all solid lined, and you can't do anything. What a lot of bollocks. Look at that, solid as, no crossings. How weird. That's typical Australian tall puppy giving her a road with no crossing. Oh, this is better. Much easier to overtake now. Well, that was exciting. There's some more mountainside. Someone's trying to call and I know I'm probably on a bike. So that's a no, you don't be doing that. Oh, he looks like some nice road. Let's have a look at this road. Oh, that does look pretty. Oh. Confronted with solid lines again. Oh shit, I was supposed to turn. Damn. So we'll go quickly turn. Hips are locking, got a stand. Oh, this looks interesting. We've got a train. We've got a back road. This is what we're looking for. Back roads. That's what we like. We like some back roads. Oh, look at that. Pretty. And now there's a dip apparently. Okay, here's the dip. Okay, good. It says that I'm on Bacchus Marsh Road. Passing Parwin Creek. Oh yes, this bike sounds alive on this bit of road. Okay, now we're coming to a T intersection. Garmin's saying go right. It seems anti-intuitive. So town centre Ballarat is left and Melbourne is right. More interesting. Let's do that. Oh, I lost my video. Okay, well if we lost the video, we can turn the sound off.